I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you back.
Legends never
No, you
die.
can't.
Huh?
Turn the car.
Can you hear them screaming out your name?
God damn.
Never die.
I got you.
So when everything's cold and the fighting's near. Legends never die. Legends never die. Legends never die. Legends never die. Written down in eternity, but you never see the price it costs. Stars collected all of their lives. When everything's lost, they pick up their hearts and avenge defeat. Before it all starts, they cycle through harms to fight your dream. Whoa,
God damn it.
legends never die.
What the fuck?
Legends never die. Legends never die. Legends never die.
Hey, watch your front. Watch your front right here. Right down the middle behind the Jeep.
What is calling
Begging you to fight. Pick yourself up.
Oh!
Legends never die.
Yeah, I got it. Oh, goddamn with these trees. What do you got? Got him. Watch your left. Container. Ah! Watch his right. I got a failing mag. Yeah. Pushing your left. God damn it. Hey, hey, hey! You get top? Give me the cover, throwing a grenade. No, no! Did that grenade go off? Okay. Hey, when did it go off?
Right over here.
Alright.
Right behind, right there.
The one with the fucking K on it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright. You got right, I got left?
Yep.
Alright. Yeah, I am either. Fucking didn't loot him right.
There's no blood, there's no alibi. Self-drawn recovery from the truth.
60 seconds!
So let mercy come and wash away.
Fuck me. Oh! Ah! Ah! Woo! Yeah. I was right there at an angle.
And we were going that this way, I could see the rock top into it. All I had was a tip.
I got hit in the back of the neck.
All
I got hit in the back of the neck. It hurt. That was you, huh? That shit hurt. That shit hit me right in the fucking skull, dude.
I didn't hit you in the neck, I hit you in the...
Oh, was it? Oh, someone hit me in the neck. Good shit, yeah. That was a good hit. Yeah. Yeah, Chief. Holding down in the back, huh?